Emergency. Stop what you're doing. Stop the stress. Stop the worry. Stop the things that you can't control and control the things you can. It's Erev Shabbat, the Erev Pesach. So does that mean I need to stress more because there's so much to do? It could mean that. It could also mean no. I can only do one thing at a time. I can only have one thought at a time. I can only fix one thing, clean one thing, replace one thing at a time. So I don't get to choose so much as what I do is the pace and the ease and the grace of how I do it. And that's all the difference. So Erev Shabbat, Erev Pesach, take a break and start to control what you can control, which is the pace and the ease and the grace of your life. Because it's your life. And even though God is in charge, He gives us latitude to remember, to enjoy, to experience the moment in its fullness. Shabbat Shalom, Hag Sameach.